How to send disappearing messages on Viber. In this video, I'll show you how to send disappearing messages on Viber, perfect for when you want your messages to stay private and automatically disappear after they have been seen. Start by opening the Viber app on your phone. Now open the chat where you want to send the disappearing message. This works in both one-on-one and group chats. Once you are inside the chat section, you'll see three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. A menu will pop up on your screen. There you'll see a clock icon with disappearing message notation. Tap on it. After tapping the clock, you'll see timer options. You can set the messages to disappear after 10 seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, or choose off to cancel disappearing mode. Now just type in the message like normal. Once the person views the message, the countdown will start automatically. To go back to the regular messages, simply tap onto the three dots, then the clock icon, and set it to off. Super simple, right? And that's how you send disappearing messages on Viber. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.